Introducing a multifunctional mobile phone and devices cleaning kit. The multifunctional tool, the high-density brush, is used to wipe away dust and dirt from the edges of your devices. A charging port wipe. Use the port wipe to clean the contacts in the charging port. Just insert it into the charging port and move it back and forth. A small steel brush. The steel brush removes small particles, dust, and fuzz from the charging port. Insert it into the port and move it from side to side. A cable wipe with USB Type-C cleaner. The USB-C cleaner is used for cleaning the contacts of USB-C devices. The cable wipe on the opposite end is used by inserting charging cables directly into it. And a charging port pick. To use the port pick, simply insert it into your phone or device's charging port and wipe it back and forth.
What's up, everybody? I got this phone cleaning kit on Amazon. We're going to open this thing up and kind of see what we're working with here. If you have ever had your phone in your pocket and you pull it out and you notice that the speakers are full of lint, or that the charging port doesn't work all the time anymore when you plug in your charging cable, that's a lot of times because you have lint or dirt or just some kind of debris in there. And that's what this is for, to be able to clean out all of the different parts of your phone. So let's just kind of get in here and look at these different options.
The cleaning detergent can be used to remove dust, stains, rust, or oxidization. Simply apply it to any of the cleaning tips to use it. The cleaning putty is used by smushing it into the speaker holes on devices and pulling it out. Dirt and grime will stick to the putty. The microfiber cloth is used for cleaning screens and surfaces of devices. Pick up a multifunctional cleaning kit today and keep your devices charging and running properly.